So one fine evening, I received a letter from Karachi. My cousin, he was serving in Navy. He asked me to come to Karachi. So I traveled to Karachi. Just the next day, he took me and then got me admitted in St. Patrick College. The very next day, I started crying that I don't want to study here because I could not understand a single sentence of English. He said, no, you will continue studying over there in BCom Part 1. And he took the responsibility that, okay, during the night, so I will prepare you for getting commission in Army, and days you are, without exaggeration, on study table, and we used to get up in the morning and he used to go to the office and I used to go to St. Patrick College. So after 1 year, I appeared in BCom Part 1 examination, and at the same time, so I appeared in exam for commission. He was so sure on his hard work. He said that I'm sure you will get commission in Army. His name was Muhammad Azim. Throughout my Army career, I kept on thinking that the colleagues who were playing with me in these villages, studying in these schools over here, they could not get that 1 year, and because of that, they either joined Army or they kept on grazing goats over here. And I kept on thinking, if they were given a chance for quality education, that was supposed to be our national asset, which we are wasting. So immediately on my retirement, I, along with my wife, we decided to come back to this village and help those who do not have that opportunity which Azim Saab gave me. And presently the system which we are running, the Azim Public School system, that is on his name, because he initiated this education system, and from this village, you may be surprised that today we are having 26 officers serving. Most of them are serving in Army, Navy and Air Force. As his Sadaqah Jariya, we have started off this chain of education system. That was the place where we started with our first class. That is, it was class 1. Now, this village, the closest roads are Panjad and Jevda. And the people, they had to walk from this place to reach Panjad or Jevda for 1.5 hours or 2 hours. No other facilities available over here like electricity and good schools, etc., etc. And most of the people, they started migrating. Completely entire village was vacant, and last house had migrated to Kahuta when I retired.